Hello mga igsoon, good morning. And it's a wonderful day today. Today is Tuesday. See, karang mga igsoon, mag-prepare ko kay nami adtuan. Kung nang ipatas ng sakyan, Andre po talaga kaya nakikarga sa likod. Okay, as you can see, this is our neighborhood here, so quiet. Tulog pa siguro mga silingan. Alas 8 na almost. Mga bulak ni mama sa nga that we planted with my mother. Kini siya yellow red wala pa namulak na siya, then we cut it off. Ini ang sampuluran at sabot ko, tabi na ko ang gate. Nak sira doon. Madilim ang kapiligiran. Hello. Ano yung baon no? Ano dito? Sino isagi, na tinapay, bukado, ito, na paper towel. So na dire, salad. Wala. Ice. Dagang ice na. Oops. Ayaw. Okay. Let's do this. Okay, yan na si Gawas. So we're outside. And we'll open this one. Oops. Voila. Stay there. Now I'm going to go. Wow. Voila. Okay. I think we're ready. Nothing will go to speak us. I think we are ready. Kani sa ito na kaya ibutar on the edong puto. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Okay. Likod. Kabangan. May Christmas light. Sa katuig pa ni Diri. This will stay here for at least a year before may tanggalon. Oops, pagkot man dahil. Hello again, may buntang mga igsoon, kapatid, friends, and relatives. Okay, we're ready to go na. We're going to Capitula, California. From here, it's 3 hours and 15 minutes via 80 West. Going to San Francisco, but we're not going to San Francisco actually. Okay, we're here in Zipway. There. And naalis na tayo. Alright. Okay guys, i-open mo palabas sa 80 freeway. Kapit ko nasa Morelli karon.
Yung kotse na yun ito. Plate number niya 9CAC 699.
Oh.
Sa atin naman 8CAC 793. coffee shop. Subway. Oh.
Subway Fashion USA.
Look at that. That's yan yung homeless dito.
Ayan.
Okay.
Dala-dala cards sa ano. Sa wing ko ata yung card niya. Dala-dala niya.
Labas na yung lubot. Lubot.
Starbucks atin.
Gusto mo? I have a gift card, Starbucks.
Maraming Starbucks sa daan. Okay, natakaroon diri sa Elkhorn Boulevard and we're going to do a left turn going to there, 80 West Sacramento, access to San Francisco and to Capitola, California. Nagulat lang tayo sa stoplight to give us the green light. And go.
Ginaw mo na ba yan?
Not yet. Let's go. Alright.
How many hours na din?
Capitula is calculating 42%. Yun, nabigay siya na address na lahat pa, no? Sa may tape. Anong gitipan mo naman na siya? Ate.
Kasi yung ano niya sa likod, yung kinakabitan ng bolt.
Turn left on Elkhorn Boulevard,
Oh.
then take ramp ahead.
Alright.
17,
Okay, let's go now. Let's see how many hours.
11:38. Ganda narating.
11:38.
Tama lang yun.
Yeah.
Take ramp, on right, to I-80 West.
West.
Kaya 4 minutes na to.
Sige lang. Ikataw na ako.
Hindi na?
Ganda na.
Continue 2.4 miles, then keep left onto I-80 West.
Okay, we're here. Nandito tayo sa 80 going west. 80 west.
Dadaling ka niya sa I-5?
Yeah, I think so. 180 west to 2.5.
I-5 yan.
I know. I-80.
I-80 west to, paano kanya sa I-5?
Siguro. Okay. So, ang from labot doon.
In 1 mile, take exit 40, on right, to I-680.
Tagal-tagal niya, doon pala siya papuntang ano. San Francisco pala siya. Tagal-tagal niya malis dito. Benicia, San Jose. Lake City. Now we're entering the Interstate 680.
Take exit 40, on right, to I-680.
There you go, going to San Jose.
680.
Gusto naman tayo mga view sa fishing. Dito na lang sa may barko bitang ako. Tulay. Kita mo suga? Kasi ko din. Wala mo nagpasok mo. Just taas mo po ka.
Why it's so traffic? Oh, accident.
There's an accident. That's why the traffic is heavy. We have here the fire truck, police,
What's going on?
car towing,
Okay, accident. Accident. Ano nabangga?
Naganina rin na. Okay, we're now in San Jose proper. On it.
I-880.
We still have 28 miles to go.
one?
Yeah, this is Silicon Valley.
Electronics?
Electronics company. Mostly electronics. Mahal kay Kuante, renta sa building na rin. Living spaces. Bay Area. Milpitas, California. 880 Freeway South. Merge. Ang daming merging dito. Nordic or $30 lang. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. We are now Maisoon. Yan nata sa Highway 17 after sa 880 Freeway South. Highway 17 Santa Cruz na siya. 2 lanes papunta sa Santa Cruz, papunta sa Santa Cruz na ni. Paakyat ang bukid, di pababa na rin mamaya. Yeah. Maning kalsada na sa bukid. Okay. Pwede kung tutusin sa tuwan kasi ng highway ni siya. Yep.
Slow down, slow down.
Minimum na.
Parang sa ano din, papuntang Reno.
Yeah.
Pauwi ah.
Territory ko. Dali magkari ka. Dali. Paakyat yan.
Ganda ng view.
Yeah.
Oh. Parang walang katapos ang karsada.
Sa lahat,
Like
pine
never
tree.
ending. Oh.
Nagkakit pine tree na rin, oh.
Wow. If you like nature.
Yan, pababa na po. Pwede na natin. So,
1B.
Take exit 1B, on right. To California 1 South.
what's 1B? Okay, we're now entering 1B. California South. Highway 1. Okay. Yeah. Sama na eh.
Diretso ka lang.
Yeah.
Yan o, turn around pa.
Access mo rin sa Highway 1. From Highway 17 to Freeway 1. Okay. This is now the Highway 1 South. Yep, Highway 1 South.
Wow.
Dari sa left side, hindi ka na Highway 1 South, Sun City. There you go. Look at the sand.
Dagat na pala yun.
Yeah. Because of the sand. Look at the sand.
Oh, that's why they called Sun City.
Oh.
Kasi ano, sandy.
Because of the sand. Yep. Hindi kang sand.
Ay, grabe yung ano ko. Paano napunta yung sand dyan niya?
Ha?
Then turn right.
Yep. Ayan o, exit in Capitola, Bay Avenue. There you go.
There you go. There you go.
Then
Turn right on Bay Avenue.
Bay Avenue. Okay.
Porter, Bay Capitola. Exit only. Be careful.
Okay. Here na.
Continue to Bay Avenue.
Capitola Avenue, point 3. Ano nilang city ate?
Ano yung city nila?
Capitola, California. This is not Capitola, California.
In 0.1 miles. Turn right on Capitola Avenue.
Capitola Avenue. Point 1.
Turn right on Capitola Avenue.
That's a good here. Side. This is nice in here. Please do not feed the bird. This is here.
I will let you know there's some construction going on that way. Yeah. So no, that's okay. Okay.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Wow.
Well,
Thank you.
Glass for you, of course. I'll let you see your video.
Thank you. Alright, look at that. Nice to show you.
Yeah.
Look at that.
I know, but
They call it what, ate? The... Is that a residence house?
Yeah. They like in guys sa Brazil.
It's... Oh yeah.
Sa Brazil.
Oh, this is the... what restaurant is this? They call it...
Margaritaville. Margaritaville.
Margaritaville. Oo. Dito kami sa labas. And this is the building. Look at that. It's nice. See? So, nandito kami sa labas. Sa Gawasmi. Kaya medyo nice ang view. Look at that. No. Alright. See you next. Okay, let's look at it. Here inside the Capitola, California, here in Santa Cruz. Yeah, there's a parking area here. Kasagaran na dire sa mga atbang mo ni mga hotel. Yeah. Yan yan, dari ka na na.
Asian.
Tingnan mo. Restaurants na dre. Restaurants, kainan, ayan o. Paradise Beach Grill. Parking, the Sunbar. Meron din silang Sunbar dito. Sunbar. Yeah. Sa bang parking ang hotel. Okay. Sige. Bay Bar and Grill. Nice Zildas. My Thai beach and beachside Thai cuisine. Okay. See you next.